Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can integrate Typeform with Google Sheets. First things first, we have to create ourselves an account at typeform.com or log into our existing account. Once we do that, let's go to the top corner of our screen and click on Connect. Right now, we have to pick the app that we want to integrate Typeform with, but Google Sheets is as a first option. So let's click Connect. And the last thing you have to do is to log in a Google account. We can also use third-party app. I've decided to use Automate.io, which is very simple app for integrations. I will leave the link in the description underneath this video. Once we're in here at Automate.io, let's go to the top corner and click on Integrations. Right now, let's go to the bottom left part of this pop-up window and click on See All Categories. Straight away, we have some app integrations ready for us, but we have to start with the application that we want to integrate first, which is Typeform. Like this. Now we have to pick its counterpart, which will be Google Sheets. Like this. Straight away, you can pick some already pre-made integrations, but if you won't be able to find the one that you are looking for, keep scrolling down so you can create your own integration. Just remember, on the left side underneath the triggers, you want to start with a Typeform. There's only one option, so it's pretty easy. On the opposite side, underneath the actions, you have to pick Google Sheets option, but I'm going with the first one. Now, all we have to do is click Try It Now button. We get redirected to sign up page, and all we have to do now is log in or register into Automate.io account. So that's about it. You are free, you are a few clicks away from finishing these integrations through Automate. We can also use Zapier. Zapier.com is also a very helpful app for integrations, quite similar to Automate, but we have to also create an account here. And once we do that, let's go to the top left corner and click on Create Zap. Once we're in here, let's go with a trigger. And as you probably thought, we want to write down Typeform first. Trigger event, there's only one option as well. Continue. Now we have to log into our Typeform account. Continue. Set up trigger form. It's a Typeform test. It's a name of the document that I created. Continue. And now we can test the trigger between Typeform and Zapier itself. On the second action, you want to go with Google Sheets. As you can see, a lot of options as well. Continue. And the last thing is we have to log into our Google Sheets account, and that's about it. So thanks for watching and see you on the next video.